while worrying about cost reduction and efficiency. Some factories save $870,000 annually. It turns out that SCR Super Inline Twin-Screw Air Compressor EPM2 series is used. EPM2 series mainframe adopts inline supercharged second-generation mainframe. Low vibration. High stability. 2 screws for 2-stage compression. Permanent magnet motor exceeds national efficiency by 8–10%. Direct transmission between main engine and motor. 0 energy efficiency loss. Top energy savings. Let the SCR EPM2 series win the National Air Entonnoir Energy Efficiency STARG title. Follow SCR to learn more about air compressors.